Hi, this is Alex Blue with J-Tech. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a cylinder cutout test using jaltest, and also how to hook up and pull codes with jaltest. So we're going to go ahead and hook up the scan tool to the truck. And go ahead and you're going to turn the key to the on position. Alright, now you're going to go onto your computer and you are going to open jaltest. And you're going to use the Deutsch 9 pin. Alright, now it's going to go ahead and it's going to pull the codes from the vehicle. So what it's doing is it's running through all of your control modules on the truck to see if there's, it's checking your ECM, your BCM, all that kind of stuff. Alright, so now that it says system scan and fault codes completed, so you're going to go to OEM fault codes, read/clear. Okay, now you're going to connect. You're going to click read fault codes. And we have three codes. This right here, it means that it's an intermediate code. It's been stored 3 times. It is the engine turbocharger compressor control module, intake pressure, voltage above normal or shorted high. Alright, so now we're going to go back. We will go ahead and check the body control module. Gonna get just like before, you're gonna go to read fault codes. Alright, so you have no active codes right now. You've got your parking lamp. It's just all, this is all stored in the body control module, which is your light. It's got your lights, your fuel level sensor, stuff like that. All good to go on that. Disconnect. We're going to disconnect from that. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do a cylinder cutout test. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Special Functions. You're going to go to Cylinder Cutout Test. You're going to click connect. Alright, so now that you have that pulled up, you're going to go ahead and you're going to climb up into the truck. And you're going to start the truck. Alright. Now this just shows you your firing order right here. Alright, you're going to press the check mark. Alright, so now once you press the check mark, alright, so what we're going to do is you're going to click over here to the graph, and it's going to pull up live data of how that engine's running. Alright, so it's on cylinder 1 and the cylinder is on. What you're going to do is you're going to come over to off. Cylinder's off. Alright, now you're going to pull over here. You're going to come back to that. Alright. So your cylinder's still off. It shows you your engine coolant temp. And then the green line is your fuel rate. Your red line is the current load at engine percent load at current speed, sorry. And then the yellow line is your engine speed in RPMs. Alright, so you're going to turn that back on. And then you're going to continue to the next cylinder, cylinder 5. You're going to turn it off. Let it run for a second like that. Turn it back on. You're going to go to next. You're on cylinder 3. Alright. So on this screen, it shows you your cylinder number, your injector status, whether it's on or off, and then it shows you your percent of load, your engine speed, your fuel consumption, and your coolant temp. You're going to turn that off, let it run for a second, and then you're going to continue on. And then you're going to repeat this process for all 6 cylinders. Alright, now that you're done, you're going to go back up here, click the check mark. Alright, and it's going to pull up the screen. You're going to want to click yes. This will pull up each individual injector and shows you that graph that it showed you before, and you can scroll through and see the different data. So this will be your number 1 cylinder on. That's your cylinder 1 off. And what you want to look for, because what it's doing is it's testing to see if there's any difference. See, if there's no difference between the 2 graphs, then you have a bad injector and it's not spraying fuel into the cylinder. And then you just want to check that for each cylinder, all the way down to the bottom. And then once you're done, and it shows you that all of them are good, or if you have one bad, you're just going to go ahead and click check. Alright, and then that's it. So you're going to get back up into the truck, and you're going to turn it off, and you're just going to go ahead and disconnect. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.